Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy your game save data over to a USB drive on your PS4. So let's go to Settings right here and select this. And go on down to where it says Application Save Data Management. And then let's go to the top to Save Data in System Storage. And go to Copy to USB Storage Device. Now under here, we want to choose our game. So find the game you want to copy over. It looks like I don't have too many games. I got Minecraft. Let's choose Minecraft. Do all my my worlds and stuff under here, and then go to copy. And make sure you have this plugged in well on the PS4. And on the original model, there is a little bit of a problem having mine connected. The plastic piece on the front kind of keeps it from actually pushing in far enough, so I have to really use I have to push in far or use an adapter. Now I have this on my USB. If I want to retrieve this in the future, I need to go to Save Data on USB Storage Device. Go to Copy to System Storage. And then I can see Minecraft in here, and I can copy this back over to my PS4, or if I brought this over to a friend's house or something like that. So this is just going to rewrite the data, so it's already on there, I know. So if something were to happen, you can get all your saved data back. So I can just go to No and back out. Now, if this is not working for whatever reason, we can back out of here, and we want to go to where it says Devices. Going down to USB Storage Devices, and then select this. And when you get to the screen, press Options. And you want to format as exFAT. This is the format your PlayStation 4 will recognize. And then you can try copying over your information after that. Also, you'll need to update your PS4. If you don't have it updated, it won't work. So go on over to where it says System Software Update and just check for an update and make sure there is the latest version on your console. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.